Hey, how's it going? As you can see here, I have two boxes of 2016 Panini Prime Cuts baseball. Go ahead and rip into both of these right now. Let's see what we got here. So there's 5 cards per pack. I've ripped a few of these in the past. These are pretty cool. I always like Prime Cuts. I've tried 2011, 2012, 2016, and yeah, it's 2016 again. So go ahead and rip into this. Wish me luck. Noticed the box inside of here feels a little loose. Kind of hear it rattling around. There it is, loosey-goosey. Alright, let's see what we got here. It's 5 cards per pack, 1 pack per box. Feels pretty light overall. Let's see what we got here on top. Nice. Brooks Robinson right up top. Relic 137 and 149. That's cool. Prime Cuts usually has some pretty decent old timers. For sure. That's kind of why I like this product every year that I've gotten it. A lot of old timers, some good players, and some newer players as well. So here we go. It's a nice start right there, Brooks Robinson. Next card. Ooh. Oh, Johnny Cueto. Huge piece of napkin. Jersey there. Here's the back, by the way, for Brooks. Nice looking cards overall. There's 2 relics. Let's see what the next one is. The Cueto is numbered to 149 as well. 72 to 94. Ooh, that's cool. Goose Gossage. That's awesome. 19 of 99. Another nice old timer there. Maybe not an old timer. Not yet. Will be soon enough. This next card looks kind of thick. It's a little sparkly there too. Who's that? J.J. Hardy, 9 of 25. This one was really thick for some reason. No patch there. Looks like it should have been a patch. Look how thick that is. Alright, and then the last card. Oh, it's a cut. Souvenir cut. Oh, nice. Let's see what we got here. Let's see, it's a cut. It's a cut of, oh, sweet. Ralph Kiner. Nice. 92 of 99. So there's 99 of these cuts. Ralph Kiner is not too rare either. But that's cool. It's always cool to pull a cut out of Prime Cuts. Very cool. I believe with Prime Cuts, I think there is 1 per case. Might be mistaken, but I believe that's how it works. 1 cut per case, I believe. So there you go. Nice. Cool. That's box 1. That's a pretty sweet box. Go ahead and put these over here. Let's go to box number 2. See what we get. Oh, this is a great box. This one can't be any better. A lot of retired veteran players. Hall of Famers. That's awesome. Alright, this one feels a little more secure as it is. Yes. Alright. Alrighty, let's see what we get in box number 2. Biography Mel Ott, that's cool. Nice. Ott notches home run record. Sweet. 67 of 99. All 5 cards look kind of same except for the last 2. They're actually different size there, thickness. Let's see what the next one is. It's a nice start. Ozzie Smith, awesome. Ozzie Smith relic, that is cool. Boom, both boxes I'm already happy with. That is cool. Next card, Roberto Alomar. Ooh, that's a nice looking card. Beautiful card there. jersey and bat. It's a jersey number 12. That's cool, numbered 60. The Ozzie Smith was numbered to 149, and the Mel Ott was to 99. Next card I think might be an auto. Ooh, auto patch relic, Jared. Can't read his name, something Rickoff. Oh, Eichhoff. 30 of 49. Nice card there. Let's see what the last one is. Jeff Bagwell, sweet. Bagwell, relic auto, 7 of 25. Woo! Great 2 boxes. Very happy with these. Recap them all really quick. So we got the Bagwell, got the Eichhoff patch, jersey, auto to 49. Roberto Alomar, bat jersey to 99. Sweet Ozzie Smith bat piece. And the Mel Ott started off in this box. Last box started off, it ended the Ralph Kiner cut to 99. Sick. J.J. Hardy auto, 9 of 25. Goose Gossage to 99. Cueto to 149. Just jumbo relic there. Started it all off. Brooks Robinson to 149. Awesome. Thanks for watching this 2-box break of 2016 Panini Prime Cuts baseball. Catch you later. Peace.